Imagine a garden choice that offers beauty, delicious fruit, and a haven for wildlife. Native fruit trees are this choice, thriving in local soil and climate. These trees are hardy survivors, perfectly attuned to their environment, and they invite a world of pollinators and birds. By planting one, you reweave a thread in the local ecosystem's tapestry. Join me as we explore the magic of these plants, transforming your garden into a vibrant, living landscape. From wild apples to sweet persimmons, discover how to create a productive, beautiful space. Meet the wild apple, Malus coronaria, a tree that has stood the test of time and nature's elements. This native tree, with its rugged beauty, is a testament to resilience and adaptability. Its gnarled and twisted branches tell stories of seasons past, each curve and knot a chapter in its long history. The wild apple is not just a tree, it is a living piece of art, sculpted by the forces of nature. In spring, its gnarled branches burst with delicate, fragrant flowers, inviting pollinators. These blossoms, a mix of pink and white, are not only beautiful but also essential for the tree's reproduction. Native bees, like bumblebees, play a crucial role in its life cycle, ensuring fruit later in the year. These industrious insects transfer pollen from flower to flower, a process vital for the development of apples. The tree's irregular form offers habitat for countless creatures. Birds, small mammals, and insects find shelter and food within its branches, creating a bustling ecosystem. As summer wanes, apples mature, promising a tart, complex flavor. These fruits, though small, are packed with nutrients and have been used for centuries in jellies, ciders, and other traditional recipes. These apples, once vital for jellies and ciders, are a feast for wildlife. Animals like deer, raccoons, and even turtles are drawn to the fallen fruit, making the wild apple a crucial part of the food web. Deer, raccoons, and even turtles enjoy the bounty. The fallen apples provide a nutritious meal, helping these animals survive and thrive in their natural habitat. The tree's dense branches provide cover for nesting birds like robins and cardinals. These birds build their nests in the safety of the tree's foliage, raising their young away from predators. Its bark hosts insects feeding woodpeckers and nuthatches. The rough texture of the bark provides a perfect hiding place for insects, which in turn attract birds that feed on them. Planting a wild apple supports an entire community, offering a four-season spectacle. From the vibrant blossoms of spring to the rich fruits of summer, the golden leaves of autumn, and the stark beauty of its winter silhouette, the wild apple is a tree for all seasons. From fragrant blossoms to sculptural winter form, it is a tree of immense character. Each season brings a new aspect of its beauty, making it a focal point in any landscape. In a world of uniformity, the wild apple celebrates individuality. Its unique shape and form stand out, reminding us of the beauty of diversity in nature. Each tree tells a unique story, a living piece of history. The rings in its trunk reveal the years of growth, the challenges it has faced, and the resilience it has shown. Welcome one into your garden to embrace a rich, natural heritage. By planting a wild apple, you are not only adding beauty to your surroundings but also supporting a diverse ecosystem and preserving a piece of natural history. As autumn arrives, the American persimmon, Diospyros virginiana, truly shines in the landscape. Its presence is a quiet celebration of the changing season, a signal that nature's cycle is moving toward its most colorful and bountiful phase. The tree stands as a symbol of patience and reward, waiting all year to reveal its treasures. Throughout spring and summer, its glossy, deep green leaves and distinctive, blocky bark go mostly unnoticed, blending into the forest or field. The bark, with its rugged, alligator-like texture, provides a striking contrast to the smoothness of the leaves, hinting at the tree's resilience and age. These features, though subtle, are clues to the tree's identity for those who know where to look. In late spring, the American persimmon produces small bell-shaped flowers. These blooms are not showy, but they play a vital role in the ecosystem. Specialized pollinators such as certain bees and moths are drawn to their delicate scent and hidden nectar, ensuring the next generation of fruit. As summer unfolds, tiny green persimmons begin to form, tucked away among the leaves. The fruit grows slowly, almost hidden from view, protected by the tree's dense foliage. All through the hot months, the persimmons quietly mature, storing up the sun's energy for their autumn transformation. When autumn's cool air arrives and the leaves turn brilliant shades of gold and orange, the persimmons themselves begin to ripen. Their color shifts from green to a glowing deep orange, standing out like jewels against the fall foliage. This transformation is a visual feast, signaling that the fruit is nearly ready to harvest. The first frost is the final touch, softening the fruit and transforming its flavor. Before the frost, persimmons are astringent and puckering, but after they become sweet, rich and custardy, one of nature's most delightful surprises. This change is eagerly awaited by both people and wildlife. For generations, people have cherished the American persimmon as a wild edible. Foragers gather the soft ripe fruit, savoring its honeyed flavor fresh or using it in traditional recipes like puddings, breads, and preserves. The fruit is a seasonal treat, connecting us to the land and its rhythms. Wildlife, too, eagerly awaits the persimmon harvest. Raccoons, opossums, foxes, and deer all feast on the fallen fruit, drawn by its irresistible sweetness. The tree becomes a hub of activity, supporting a diverse array of animals as they prepare for the coming winter. The bounty of the persimmon tree is essential for many creatures. As the fruit drops to the ground, it provides vital nourishment for birds like wild turkeys and songbirds, as well as mammals large and small. In this way, the tree helps sustain the local ecosystem through the lean months ahead. Beyond its fruit, the American persimmon is a model of adaptability. It thrives in a wide range of soils, from sandy riverbanks to rocky hillsides, and can withstand drought and flooding alike. This hardiness makes it a valuable addition to natural landscapes and home gardens. The tree's rugged bark is more than just a visual feature. It provides shelter for insects and spiders, which in turn attract birds like the brown creeper. These small birds spiral up the trunk searching for food and help keep the tree healthy by controlling pests. Planting a persimmon tree is an investment in the future. Over decades, it will offer food, shelter, and beauty to people and wildlife alike. Each tree becomes a living legacy, supporting generations of creatures and connecting us to the cycles of nature. Tending a persimmon tree through the seasons is a rewarding journey. From the first spring leaves to the last autumn fruit, it invites us to slow down, observe, and appreciate the subtle changes of the natural world. The American persimmon is truly autumn's sweet reward, a gift from the land to all who care for it. In early spring, when the world is just beginning to wake from winter's long slumber, the wild plum, Prunus americana, bursts into bloom. Its delicate white blossoms seem to float like a cloud against the still bare landscape, transforming the countryside with a sudden, breathtaking beauty. These blooms are among the first signs that spring has truly arrived, painting hedgerows and woodland edges with a soft, ethereal glow. The branches, usually hidden and unremarkable, are now almost invisible beneath a profusion of pure white flowers. Each blossom is a bold announcement of the new season, a signal to the world that life is returning. The thorns, which once seemed forbidding, are now softened by the gentle petals, creating a striking contrast between strength and fragility. These early flowers are a lifeline for pollinators. Native bees, still groggy from winter, are drawn to the nectar and pollen, finding vital nourishment when few other plants are in bloom. The wild plum's timing is perfect, offering food just when it's needed most, and in turn, the bees help ensure a bountiful crop of fruit later in the year. As the season progresses, the wild plum's dense thickets become a haven for wildlife. The tangled branches and lush foliage provide shelter and protection for countless creatures, from small mammals to nesting birds. These thickets are living fortresses, safe places where animals can hide from predators and raise their young. Birds like the gray catbird take full advantage of this natural sanctuary, weaving their nests deep within the thorny embrace of the plum. Here, their eggs and chicks are shielded from danger, and the dense cover offers a quiet place to grow. As summer unfolds, the transformation continues. The once white blossoms give way to clusters of small, round fruits that ripen to vibrant shades of red, yellow, and even purple. These wild plums are a feast for the eyes as well as the palate, their colors glowing in the warm sunlight. Wild plums offer a sweet tart flavor that is cherished by foragers and cooks alike. Whether eaten fresh from the tree, turned into tangy jellies, or baked into rustic desserts, their taste is a true gift of summer. For many, gathering wild plums is a seasonal tradition, a way to connect with the land and its cycles. The bounty of the wild plum is shared by wildlife as well. Flocks of birds, from cedar waxwings to robins, descend on the trees to feast on the ripe fruit. Squirrels, raccoons, and even bears are drawn to the sweet plums, helping to spread the seeds far and wide, ensuring the next generation of trees. The wild plum is a survivor, thriving in a wide range of soils and conditions. Its roots help stabilize slopes and prevent erosion, making it an important ally in maintaining healthy landscapes. Whether growing along a stream bank or on a rocky hillside, the wild plum adapts and endures. Even in the depths of winter, when the leaves have fallen and the fruit is gone, the wild plum's branches continue to offer shelter. Their intricate silhouettes stand out against the snow, providing refuge for birds and small animals seeking protection from the cold. Planting a wild plum is more than adding beauty to your landscape, it's an invitation for life to flourish. With its blossoms, fruit, and shelter, the wild plum supports a vibrant community of creatures, creating a living hub of activity that enriches the world around it, season after season. The black cherry, Prunus serotina, is a forest giant, a true ecosystem. Its dark, flaky bark and drooping flower clusters attract diverse pollinators. Butterflies like the eastern tiger swallowtail visit its blooms. The tree provides shade and hosts caterpillars for butterflies and moths. As summer ends, its fruits ripen to deep purple black, a feast for wildlife. Birds like robins and waxwings flock to the tree, fueling migration. Mammals, from bears to raccoons, enjoy the bounty. In autumn, its leaves add warm color to the landscape. The black cherry is a skyscraper of life, supporting diverse organisms. Planting one is a gift to future generations, bringing forest grandeur to your landscape. In southern wetlands, the Mayhaw Crataegus opaca thrives. Its spring flowers attract pollinators, offering nectar in a unique habitat. The tree's thorns protect nesting birds like the northern mockingbird. As May arrives, fruits ripen to bright red or yellow-orange. Harvesting mayhaws is a cherished tradition, connecting people to the landscape. The fruit's tart, apple-like flavor is prized for jellies and syrups. Wildlife, from raccoons to birds, feast on the fruit. The mayhaw thrives in wet conditions, perfect for rain gardens. It offers four-season interest from spring flowers to winter structure. Planting a mayhaw brings a taste of the South, a story of resilience. We've explored the quiet generosity of native trees, each offering unique gifts. They are cornerstones of ecosystems, providing food and shelter for wildlife. Their resilience and connection to place make them low-maintenance garden additions. From spring blossoms to autumn foliage, they offer year-round interest. Consider planting a wild plum, black cherry, or mayhaw. You're casting a vote for biodiversity and reweaving the local food web. Create a sanctuary for wildlife and cultivate a living piece of natural heritage. Help replant a wilder, healthier, and more beautiful world in your backyard.